Hey, so if you're someone who struggles with doing push-ups, or if you work with athletes who struggle doing push-ups, this video is for you. So I'm just going to talk about one simple way to make learning push-ups a little bit easier. Many of the female athletes that I work with struggle just to do one body weight push-up. So push-ups are a fundamental movement and we want to be proficient in performing them. So how can you program push-ups if you can't even perform one body weight push-up? Well, a good strategy to start with is by performing band-assisted push-ups. So there's a few reasons why I like these band-assisted push-ups over a few other methods of learning your first push-up. For starters, athletes get comfortable in the bottom position of a true push-up position with their hands and their feet on the floor, unlike an incline push-up. With the incline push-up, athletes only have their feet on the floor but their hands on a bench. Secondly, the band-assisted push-up allows for the angles to be specific to a true push-up compared to an incline push-up. And the bottom portion of the push-up is mechanically the most difficult position to be in. It requires the most effort to ascend to the top. Thus, having the band assist you, the band provides more aid in that lower portion of the push-up and less aid as the athlete ascends to the top. And lastly, in the incline push-up, the only way you can modify the intensity is by changing the angle of the incline. With the band-assisted push-up, you can change the intensities in a couple different ways. You can change the strength of the band, maybe get a thicker band, a medium band, or a light band, depending on your strength level. And you can also change the height or the level of the band to change intensities as well. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like this video and hit subscribe to the channel.